Get our birthday list off with a smiling Annabelle Fagan. Annabelle, now 8 years old. Happy birthday.
And we've got Ray Dollison turning 13 in Quampa. Love from mom, stepdad, and the brothers. Happy birthday, Ray.
In Fort Scott, that's Adam Wright. Little Tiger Pride right there. Have a great one, number 65.
And we've got Olivia Jean Bradfield turning sweet 16 today. With love from mom, dad, Layla, and Hannah.
Landon and WEIDE. Iola Mustang Pride right there, turning 16 as well. Time to make that driver's license official. Landon, a very happy birthday to you.
And JAYMIE Fuentez, a former Oswego resident who's now out in California.
It's cool, we're big on the West Coast.
Yeah, check us out online. And celebrating.
She could be in California, Missouri.
Oh, well, you know, you're right.
No, I'm pretty sure she's on the West Coast.
Yeah.
I was just throwing it out there.
And let's see, we've got RORY CHAPLIN, 41 in Fort Scott.
LETA NATALINI celebrating her 49th birthday. A beautiful landscape right there. LETA, a very happy birthday to you in Scammon.
And let's see, Rosella RENKOSKI turning 95 in Purdy, Missouri. Mother of 8 children, also has 19 grandkids and 25 great-grandkids.
Check out that stained glass behind her. How pretty is that?
That's pretty cool.
That is beautiful. Rosella, what a beautiful picture. And a very happy birthday. Harley Babb, a 26th birthday. Happy birthday to Harley in Miami. Evan Gettle, a happy birthday to you in Columbus, and we'll stick in the bus because the party will commence with the big number 21 for Lauren Schmelzer. Lauren, a very happy birthday to you as well. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this December the 16th. That's where you can turn them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. Hit us up on the website, KOAMNewsNow.com as well. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses when you do. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday Club today.
Live look outside of Television City. Starting to get just a little brighter outside.